Good afternoon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back on this day on Sunday. Yes, we have Sunday. This additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, August the 17th, August the 18th, 2024. It's today, August the 18th, yes, Sunday afternoon. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star, 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic in Dutch, they call it Saiva block in Japanese Suguru. This one with 4 stars, this one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to a YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. And besides, in the evening, this evening, I will solve a samurai Sudoku. Well, it's a challenge every time because the goal is to solve the samurai Sudoku within an hour. Yeah, within an hour. Well, we will see tonight in the evening. But first, let me start with this one. The 3-star Sudoku number 9114. 9114. Want to remind you that when I hit the 10K, then this channel will be closed. Yeah, so if you want to subscribe, need to hurry because we have not a lot of subscribers. Anyway, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. 26. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars by the publisher. 20 to 30 minutes. Question is it a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? Well, we don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have 1 and a 4 in this big square, so no 1 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in the third column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3, 5, 6. Okay, need an 8 here then. Need a 9, and I need a 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. Here we have 3, 5, 6. The other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Alright. Need a 7 here. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place level 9 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this row, middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 6, 6. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place level 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 1. We have 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this column. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with 4. How about the 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, middle column. So the 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. We have a pair here. 4 and 8 in this row. 4 and 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So one digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 5. And should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1. 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, need a 3 here. Need a 3. Yeah. Alright. Cannot continue with the 3. But the 2. Yeah, we have all the 2s. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. 1, 1. 1. 1, 1. Well. About the 4 then. No. About the 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. One box left now in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 5 and 1. 2 numbers left in this second row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and 6. Let me mark those. Here, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 now in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And 6 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 1, okay. Here 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Well, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 8. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing and 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Now I can count. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Then, how about these 2 missing numbers? In the middle column, the 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5 are missing. 6 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Then 3, 5, 6, and look, we have a 5 and a 6 in the last row. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, though. So the row between, the only place left for 3 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes at there, finished in 13 minutes. Well. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. 0 stars need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles in this additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.